Welcome, guys. Hello, everyone. Let me quickly introduce you to our newest FCP Network Security Certification Learning Path by Cybrek. FCP Network Security stands for Fortinet Certified Professional in Network Security, which is one of the mid-level certifications offered by Fortinet. This certification validates your skills and abilities to secure network and applications with the aid of certain Fortinet network security products, such as FortiGate Firewall, FortiManager, and FortiAnalyzer. We created our learning path to help you out to prepare to this difficult exam, but we also want to make sure that you guys understand the different topics and technologies from the FCP Network Security Blueprint, and this is why I created a bunch of courses that make up this learning path, and this is definitely something you should look at if you plan to take this certification exam. Now, before we take a look at the content of this learning path, let's briefly talk about the exam and its prerequisites. I would say that in terms of difficulty level, this test is somewhere between intermediate to advanced. The focus is on FortiGate Firewall features and technologies, but you also need to be familiar with FortiManager and FortiAnalyzer. There are actually going to be 2 additional tests to take to pass the FCP network security. You can choose between FortiManager or FortiAnalyzer. So ideally, it's good to know both of them. And now in terms of prerequisites, since the exam is pretty comprehensive, I would want to make sure that I understand the topics listed under FCA cybersecurity exam. I would want to have at least a little bit of experience with FortiGate firewalls, but in case you guys don't have this experience or you are not familiar with FCA cybersecurity, just go ahead and take a look at this learning path from scratch. It is going to definitely help you out to pass FCP network security. Okay, so what type of content you guys will find when looking at our learning path at its structure? Let's go ahead and visit cybrek.com, choose Learn, and go to Certifications. Then let's find FCP Network Security. And as you can tell, at the time of making this recording, we've got 6 different courses that make up this learning path, starting with FortiGate Firewall, traffic control with FortiGate, advanced traffic control with FortiGate. And then next, there is this FortiGate Technologies, troubleshooting FortiGate, and the last one is on centralized management and traffic analytics, FortiGate and central integration. The series starts with an overview of FortiGate firewalls. We discuss the basic fundamental concepts related to the firewall. We look at management access, command line, GUI interface. We configure basic firewall settings, connect the firewall to the network, perform initial firewall setup. Then in traffic control, we focus on the policies, on the firewall policy, and on network address translation, to move on to more advanced features in the advanced traffic control, in which case we will first talk about the different inspection modes. And then most of this course is going to be dedicated to advanced inspection engines like application control, like encryption. Where we will finish with user authentication. FortiGate Technologies is where we will talk about security fabric, virtual domains, high availability, and VPNs. So definitely more advanced topics. Troubleshooting FortiGate is all about the different troubleshooting tools and some common troubleshooting scenarios for general troubleshooting, networking, and policies, also virtual private networks. And the last one is all about FortiManager and FortiAnalyzer related topics and configurations. As you can now tell, our learning path is pretty extensive, And I hope you guys join our FCP Network Security Certification program to learn about the different exam topics. And I hope you pass this exam with confidence. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.